to dissipate knowledge is an extremely important requirement, and Laghu Udyog Bharat has been doing this for decades, and IMS is one such platform. We have used this platform. It is significantly helpful, and it brings to us participants, visitors, and also the bigger companies that are coming into these exhibitions looking for support, help, vendors, new and existing contacts with renewed capabilities. IMS, because of its focus on aerospace and defense, perhaps will bring a razor-sharp focus to these two industries that today are currently in great focus thanks